In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Password, Passkeys and Data Services. Tap on Google Password Manager and tap on a password that you wish to edit. Now enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!